Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Ratchet Clank Future of Cracking Time. What?
Why do I get the feeling this clock does more than just tell time?
I know, it ticks. Are we talking to those weird Outlander people outside his rooms? This thing up is fast. Holy crap. Get away from me. Ah. Nope. Just like destroy them. Nope. This is what the battery bot's for, isn't it? That zoning. And of course. It's something freaking stupid like that. It's always something stupid like that. Ugh. Epic jumping. Woo! Annihilate. 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 Dude! Ah. Destroy, build, destroy. Destroy, build, destroy.
Fire traffic away from the building. We'll have to find another point of entry. There's someone on the inside who maybe can help us.
Someone who works for Nefarious?
Actually, he's a data miner at Pollock's
I think I should turn this up.
I saved him from becoming food for the Agorians.
What are you doing on this frequency? The entire city is looking for you.
I'm here to cash in on that favor, Jarvis. We need a way inside Pollock's Industries.
I knew one day you'd make me an accomplice to terrorism. I'll run a diagnostic on the security system. In the meantime, you better take cover. Another security team is closing in.
Sync their position.
That echo. Okay, here we go. Actually, yeah, okay. This we're gonna have to put back up to the highest one. 240. Yeah, it's 240. Because usually I watch Netflix for like 2 hours or so without using the remote or anything. And like, I fall asleep. And you know, I just can't have this thing to be on all day. That would waste too much energy. Yeah, come on, Jarvis. Where's my Iron Man suit? Oh, I was about to blow, too. Watch. I'm not... Oh, never mind. Is it weird that her hair reminds me of something song? I forgot. I don't know. Oh! Yeah. Let's try to upgrade our Constructo pistol a bit.
Jarvis, how are we looking on that entry point?
Where? Hold on, let me just shoot this UFO. I just destroyed it with the Constructo pistol. That's how you know it sucks. That's pretty good. What? Dang it. What is this? It's my bed sheets. What the heck? Oh, my bed sheets doing on the floor. Alright. Die! We have like the weakest guns right now. I cannot wait till we get better weapons. Going to use my wrench for weapons.
I've got this one.
Alright, we get it. You freaking suck, Azimuth. You didn't do crap. I do get a right to protect myself. That's what he would have said. Maybe I should go to the vendor. Yeah, I should have went to the vendor because the vendors give you health. Ah, man. Those were the good times when the vendors give you health. They don't do that crap anymore. No, I'm tired. Is it nap time? Wow, all the way back here? Are you seriously? Are you serious? All the way back here? I hate this city. I'm not even joking, this is my least favorite level in the game. Blow up, you peeps. The constructor guns take so long to upgrade, I'm not even joking. Yeah, Jarvis. Oh, I did blow the thing up. That's pretty awesome. Okay, now that I know that I've blown that up, I feel a lot better about myself. I don't know why. Yeah. Where? Okay, hold on. Let me just get to the shotgun mode. Whoa. Okay, I'm destroying a mod. Where'd that thing go? The UFO. Okay, it's gone. I swear, I hear Emperor Tachyon. What the hell? I hear Emperor Tachyon. There we go. Oh, finally.
All we have to do is ionize the hologram's powered conduit. That should give your hover boots enough thrust to send you into the maintenance hatch.
Sounds simple enough.
Not exactly. It'll take all three of us. I'm activating the transport ramps to the west side of the plaza. Head there now and await further instructions.
The transport.
Okay, so my back hurts super badly, and I have a toothache. Best day ever. Thank you, Thanksgiving. Thanks, Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving sucks. I'm just kidding. It's pretty awesome. Do I have to click the button? Nope. Okay, I'll take that crap now. What? Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh. Alright. You asked for a constructo bomb, you're getting it. Oh, great. Hello, come here. They said no. I killed most of them. I'm pretty cool with that. Alright. You just hit me, you stupid jerk. Alright. Ow, eyebrow hurts. I don't know, my eyebrow, out of all things. I don't know, it just hurt. Where is it? I see you, evil bastard. Okay. Alright. Okay. energy. Uh, I don't want your nasty pie. What do I look like, a charity case? Okay, I got 9 of these. That was a fail. Shoot. Oh, Mr. Zircon killed him in one shot. Alright.
I'm going to perform a remote unlock of all the power switches in this plaza. That should enable you to activate them and ionize the hologram conduit.
Usually I have Clank to translate stuff like this. Can you say that again in non-geek speak?
When the general lowers the defense grid, you just activate all the switches I send to you.
Got it.
Lowering defense grid. Now.
No.
Okay, sticking power switches to your nav unit now.
I'm a safeguard and nav-syncing. Now. Oh, he always... I don't know why that... Nav card. Nav-syncing now. Nav-syncing now. Oh boy. Moving safeguard and nav-syncing now. I don't know what he says, but it's so annoying.
Got it.
Alright. Removing safeguard and nav-syncing now. Obviously it's this one. Never mind, it's obviously over here. Never mind, it's definitely this one right here. Nav-syncing now. Where's this one? Looks like it's right here. Nope, it's in here. Buddy.
You've broken into high security installations before, haven't you?
Nope. No. We're definitely gonna go this way, because this is the general direction. Oh. Oh. Oh, I did all of it.
Conduit is ionized. You should be able to slingshot over the plaza and into Pollock's Industries.
Good work, Ratchet.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
We're part of the same guild, aren't we?
You did well too, Jarvis. But I still need you to talk me through that last defense grid.
All right, General. Bring up a command prompt and type in override code 71218#7.
Got it. Thanks, Jarvis. This is it. Our only way into the building. Last chance to back up.
Age before beauty, General.
Wise guy, just like your father.
Oh, that's so cute. Nope. Oh, I was gonna go. I want to go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! Woo!
You made
Cutscene.
it. Come on. The main office is this way.
Attention, the bioscan reveals 2 lombaxes in main server room. Mobilizing all units.
Okay, I don't know why I turned it up right there.
You take the left, I'll cover the right.
Okay. Oh, they're taking Jarvis. You can hear it. Jarvis! Mission failed. They took my Iron Man person thing. Computer. Is that what all robots are? Iron Man person thing computers? It's fun to say. Okay. Bow! Shut. Woo! Moving safeguard and nav-syncing now. I'm moving safeguard and nav-syncing.
Sending in a photo mantis. Ratchet, take cover.
Come on, Big Daddy. See what you got. See what you got. See what you got. Exactly. You ain't got nothing. Bam! Let's get some ammo.
We're clear. I
Whew.
think that's all.
Auxiliary units to main server room. Repeat. Auxiliary units to main server room.
Okay.
Alright.
I really need
Alright,
to stop
alright,
doing
alright.
that.
What? Constructo upgrade. Let's see what it is for. Skybers. Oh, interesting, interesting. Alright, I'll put that on there. You can't really see it now, I guess. But you can see it now. Like that, that's pretty epic. It's like a shotgun going upward. It's pretty awesome. Oh, shoot. Actually, I have nothing else to do. Oh, I got this gun. Woo! Let's go. I think there's one of those big guys right here, so. That's pretty beast. I love that. It's awesome. Yeah. Can you not do that? That's so weird. But I like it weird. I think there's a cutscene here, I'm not too sure.
Nice work. Couldn't have left a few for me, hmm?
Reward over consequence, right?
You're a fast learner.
Never mind, there's no cutscene here. I lied. Of course.
Come on, we're almost there.
Will this save? Because I think I'm gonna end the episode, but I guess not. Woo! Level 4 too. Blum. Damage is halfway up to whatever the highest is, 100, I guess. Let's just say 100. Ooh, let's take them all out. Take them all out.
Send everything you've got, Nefarious. It won't change a thing.
They say this gun's not epic, or this grenade launcher's not epic. It's pretty freaking epic. I mean, that's cool. But we will turn into the acid bomb glove soon, which is still pretty cool. I didn't really reach them, did I? But they were pretty weak, so.
I'll get this one.
What?
Clear. Let's move.
I knew there was a cutscene.
If you intend to manhandle me, I'll have you know I am a level 60 wizard with melee ability. That hurt my pride and my solar plexus.
Looks like there's obsidian eye somewhere in Krill Canyon. I can't lock on any closer.
Greetings, my old friend. Been a long time. I'm thrilled you're here to witness my greatest triumph. And look, you've met the Elder. Pity the first Lombax you meet is the shame of his entire race.
So what is it this time, Nefarious? You still trying to turn everyone into robots? Or is it just good old-fashioned galactic domination?
Part of me wants to let you live long enough to find out. The other part really wants to kill you. You know, for old time's sake. Decisions, decisions, decisions.
Attention, BX-99 detected.
guess we know what he went with.
That thing will level the entire city just to get to us. Come on, we have to take it out. I'll cover you from the air. You just find a way to stall it.
Stall it? It's the size of a building!
Okay, so I'm actually gonna end the episode there. So hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Ratchet Clank Future a Cracking Time. Be sure you leave a like, favorite, and subscribe for more. Anyways, my name's Ethan GB, and I'm out. Peace.